The chemistry of life is the study of the chemical processes and molecules that are essential for the existence, growth, and reproduction of living organisms. It encompasses various branches of chemistry such as biochemistry, molecular biology, and organic chemistry, among others. Key aspects of the chemistry of life include 1. Biological macromolecules. Living organisms are composed of large molecules known as biological macromolecules. These include carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. These macromolecules are essential for various cellular functions such as energy storage, structural support, and information storage. 2. Cellular metabolism. Metabolism refers to the set of chemical reactions that occur within cells to maintain life. These reactions involve the conversion of nutrients into energy and the synthesis of biomolecules required for cellular processes. 3. Enzymes. Enzymes are biological catalysts that accelerate chemical reactions in living organisms. They are typically proteins that lower the activation energy required for a reaction to occur, thereby increasing the rate of the reaction. Enzymes play crucial roles in metabolism, DNA replication, and other cellular processes. 4. Energy transfer. Living organisms require energy to carry out various cellular processes. The primary source of energy for most organisms is adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is produced through cellular respiration or photosynthesis. ATP serves as a universal energy currency within cells, transferring energy to drive biochemical reactions. 5. Cellular signaling. Chemical signaling pathways regulate cellular processes and communication within multicellular organisms. Signaling molecules such as hormones, neurotransmitters, and cytokines bind to specific receptors on target cells, initiating a cascade of biochemical events that regulate gene expression, cell growth, and differentiation. 6. Biochemical reactions. Living organisms undergo numerous biochemical reactions to maintain homeostasis and respond to environmental changes. These reactions include oxidation reduction, redox reactions, hydrolysis, condensation, and phosphorylation reactions, among others. 7. Genetic information. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, contains the genetic information that determines an organism's traits and characteristics. Through the processes of transcription and translation, genetic information is used to synthesize proteins, which play diverse roles in cellular structure, function, and regulation. Understanding the chemistry of life is essential for various scientific disciplines, including biology, medicine, pharmacology, and biotechnology. It provides insights into the molecular mechanisms underlying biological processes and enables the development of new therapies, drugs, and technologies to improve human health and address environmental challenges.